Hey everybody, I'm out here camping today at Williams Fork Lake. It is the middle of December, and so it is quite chilly today. I want to introduce you to my Sun Lite BH16 by Sunset Park. It is quite an amazing camper for off-road, backcountry camping like this. However, it really needs some power, especially when coming out here when nobody's out here, and that's where I introduced the LiTime batteries. The LiTime batteries are quite incredible. I'm using personally the 230 amp hour one with the Low-Temp Protection cutoff. The Low-Temp Protection cutoff is a super useful feature because personally today I came from Denver. Denver was 60 degrees, and coming up here it's getting below 30. It allows me to maximize my charging for my solar panels all out through the drive until the temperature reaches 30 degrees, and then it shuts off and allows for the battery to be protected. As you may know, lithium-ion batteries shouldn't be charged under freezing temperatures. You have the ability to damage the battery that way. And so with the Low-Temp Protection cutoff, it allows me to get the maximum amount of charging through the day, and then at night, or once it drops below freezing at higher altitudes, I'm really able to utilize that and feel protected and not have to worry about that. Additionally, I am charging this with 400 watts of solar on my roof. I have flexible panels, which is great because in Colorado, talking about the weather, we have some serious hailstorms and endure some serious conditions, and also some twigs when coming off grid like this. So it's really, really nice to have, and it's been durable through the couple years that I've had them. I've also built a custom system. That system is built off of a Raspberry Pi, and I use a screen to monitor everything from my electrical systems to all of my tanks. This is a custom built system. There are a couple on the market that are available, but I prefer to use this one, and it's been really great for me. Traditionally, I run things like my refrigerator. I also have a projector in my camper, which I run all of my lighting, all of my heating. So I'm running a lot of amperage through my equipment pretty regularly. But with the LiTime battery, I probably last 3 or 4 days, depending on my power usage, and also depending on the sun that I have. With full sun, I can even go a week with this setup. And I've done that numerous times. It's really nice to have some of these appliances powered by LiTime because we'll travel around the country. I'll get different foods from different states, and I can put that in my fridge and not worry about that running out of power. It's quite a great setup. It has a little ways to go, but thanks to LiTime at the heart of this system, I feel confident going off grid wherever I go.